Hi students, today going to teach about equation of chord of contact, equation of chord with midpoint and relative position of circles and number of common tangents. Equation of chord with midpoint. The equation of chord AB with midpoint Px1y1 on circle x square plus y square equal to r square is xx1 plus yy1 is equal to x1 square plus y1 square. Proof. This is the circle. AB is chord with midpoint Px1 y1. Center is 0 0 here. The perpendicular bisector of chord passes through center. AB perpendicular to CP. CP slope y1 minus 0 by x1 minus 0. So AB slope minus 1 by m minus x1 by y1. Equation of AB. Y minus y1 equal to minus x1 by y1 into x minus x1. y1 minus y1 square is equal to minus xx1 plus x1 square. xx1 plus y1 is equal to x1 square plus y1 square. For easy notation, both the sides subtracting with r square. It is looking like t equal to s1. One side 50% change, other side directly xy replaced by x1 y1. Okay. If Px1 y1 is midpoint of chord AB of circle S equal to 0, then AB equation t equal to s1. Here A, B, x1, y1 minus G minus F center. It is P. CP is perpendicular to AB. I am deriving this also. CP slope y1 plus f by x1 plus g. AB slope minus 1 by m, that means reciprocal with opposite sign. minus of x1 plus g by y1 plus f. AB equation y minus y1 equal to minus of x plus g by y1 f, y1 plus f into x minus x1. Cross multiplication y minus y1 into y1 plus f equal to minus x plus here x1 plus g into x minus x1. Expanding y1 plus fy minus y1 square minus fy1 minus of xx1 plus gx minus x1 square minus gx1 y1 plus yf minus y1 square minus fy1 minus x1 xx1 minus gx plus x1 square plus gx1. Negative terms taken another side, then changes to positive. Xx1 plus y1 gx plus fy is equal to x1 square plus y1 square plus gx1 plus fy1. Add both the sides, gx1 plus fy1 plus c. Then what will happen? Left side t, right side s1. This is exactly got it whatever we discussed in the last. And length of AB here 2 times AP 2 into root CP square minus R square. This value is R. R square minus CP. Hypotenuse is R. R square minus CP square. That means 2 into root minus CP square minus R square. This is 2 into root minus S1. This is a shortcut way. We will calculate length of the chord AB with midpoint x1 y1 on circle S equal to 0 is 2 into root minus S1. S1 is negative, minus S1 is positive. Chord of contact. Let P x1 y1 be an exterior point. Exterior point of circle S equal to 0. From exterior point there is just 2 tangents. These 2 tangents I am assuming touches at A and B. The line joining AB is called chord of contact. The tangents from P to circle touches at A and B, A comma B. The line AB is called chord of contact. Chord of contact of P with respect to S equal to 0. P is pole of chord. Now I will discuss equation of the chord. Equation of chord of contact of Px1y1 with respect to circle s equal to 0 is t equal to 0. Its derivation P is exterior point, tangents from P touches at A, another tangent at B. Here x1, y1. I am assuming x2, y2. Here bx3, y3 I am assuming. Required is equation of AB. Equation of AB is required. Step by step how to proceed. PA is a tangent at A, gives equation of PA x(x2) plus y(y2) g into x plus x2 plus f into y plus y2 plus c equal to 0. PB is tangent at B. Its equation x x3 y y3 plus g into x plus x3 plus f into y plus y3 plus c equal to 0. I am assuming this is 1, this is 2. 1, 2 passes through Px1, y1. That means substitution satisfies. x1, x2 plus y1, y2 g into x plus x1 plus x2 plus f into y1 plus y2 plus c equal to 0. In the same way, x1, x3, y1, y3 g into x1 plus x3 plus f into y1 plus y3 plus c equal to 0. Clearly, from above, x1 into x, y1 into y plus g into x1 plus x, f into y1 plus y plus c equal to 0 passes bx2 y2 c a, it is b a, and b is x3 y3. So AB equation t equal to 0. That is the derivation of chord of contact. Shortcut manner, it is denoted by t equal to 0. If P lies on circle, then chord of contact coincides with the tangent at P. coincides with tangent at P. Because here you see P is lie on it. The tangents from P here coincides. Tangent at P is the tangent at P itself. Here A equal to B, all three coincides. So its equation also same, T equal to 0. Okay. If P is inside of circle, no tangents adjust from P. Adjust through P. Therefore, chord of contact of inside point, does not adjust. One simple question: find chord of contact of P 5, 4 with respect to x square plus y square is equal to 30. It is t equal to 0, no? T means 5x plus 4y is equal to 30. Here the point is outside. Next, common tangents. Common tangents of circles. One type is direct common tangent. L equal to 0 touches the circle. S equal to 0, S dash equal to 0. In same side. Then L equal to 0 is direct common tangent. Direct common tangent of both circles. Here the tangent L, like this, touches at P and Q. Second type is transverse common tangent. Tangent L equal to 0 touches circles S equal to 0, S dash equal to 0 in opposite sides. Then L equal to 0 is transverse common tangent. Here diagram is like this. Touches at P, touches at Q. S equal to 0, S dash equal to 0. That means both the circles opposite sides of line. Next, touching circles. Let S equal to 0, S dash equal to 0 be two circles with R1 comma R2 radii. C1 comma C2 be the centers. With the C1 C2 equal to D. First type, touches externally. Like this. Center C1, center C2. Join these two. Touches at P. Here C1 C2 equal to R1 plus R2. D equal to R1 plus R2. Next case, touches internally. Like this. Here common point, touching point. This C1, this C2. C1P R1, C2P R2, C1 C2 is D. Gives D equal to R1 minus R2. If radius of first circle is small. Simply, if two circles touches internally, distance between centers equal to difference of radii. Here, additional information, P divides C1 C2 in R1 is to R2 ratio internally. Here P divides C1 C2 in R1 is to R2 externally. That is about touching circles, two categories. In this first case, touches externally. Externally means one circle completely outside of other have a common point P. Other case, touches internally. That means one circle completely inside of other and touches together at P. First case, P divides C1 C2 in R1 is to R2 internally. Second case, P divides C1 C2 in R1 is to R2 externally. Here there is just common tangent at P. Here also is just common tangent at P. The tangent is at P is a transverse common tangent. In first case, its equation L equal to S minus S dash equal to 0. I will explain later. Its equation also S minus S dash equal to 0. Tangent at P direct common tangent, direct common tangent. That is about touching cases and tangent at point of contact. Because C1, C2 is common normal. Tangent at P perpendicular to normals of both at P. Okay. Now relative position of two circles and the number of common tangents. Two circles and number of common tangents. Let S equal to 0, S dash equal to 0 be two circles. Centers C1 comma C2. My assumption C1 C2 is D. Radii R1 comma R2 respectively. N equal to number of common tangents. First case, R1 plus R2 is less than D. R1 plus R2, sum of radii is less than distance between centers. The position of two circles. Like this. Here, how many common tangents exist? Join centers and extend. Here, four common tangents exist. Two of them direct common tangents. Touches at T1, T2, T3, T4. Two direct, two transverse. Transverse common tangents also I am drawing here. Two direct, two transverse. Here in this case, one circle completely exterior of other. Each circle exterior to exterior means outside to other. Number of common tangents 4. Two direct, two transverse. Clear? Second case, R1 plus R2 is equal to D. What will happen? Like this, distance between centers is equal to sum of radii. Number of common tangents, 2 direct, 1 transverse. The transverse at point of contact. Two direct tangents, one transverse. Both the circles touches externally at point P assumption. Already said P divides C1 C2 in R1 is to R2 ratio internally. N equal to 3. 2 direct, 1 transverse. Next condition. D value less than R1 plus R2, more than R1 difference R2. Difference of radii. Here what will happen? Both the circles cuts at 2 points. I am assuming A and B. This AB is common chord. Its equation S minus S dash equal to 0. Keep it in mind. How many tangents here? 2 direct. No transverse. Circles intersect at 2 points A and B. AB is common chord. Its equation S minus S dash equal to 0. Because you have derivation and number of common tangents 2, direct only. Fourth case, difference of radii equal to distance between centers. In this case, both the circles touches internally. Just explained also. Circles touches internally at P. Okay. Number of common tangents 1, direct common tangent. You get one common tangent at P, that is direct common tangent. Next case, D is less than difference of radii. One circle completely inside of other. one circle completely inside of other. Number of common tangent 0. Sixth case, d equal to 0. D equal to 0 means concentric circles. Number of common tangents 0. C1 equal to C2. For easy memorization, I am giving number line minus infinite to plus infinite. Marking here R1 plus R2, R1 difference R2. It is easy recalling purpose. D value more than that. Circles like that. N is 4. D value equal to this. Here N equal to 3. D value in between. Circles intersect at 2 points. D value equal to difference. N equal to 1. Circles touches internally. D value less than difference. One circle completely inside of other. D value 0. Concentric. Easy recalling purpose. Now how to get length of direct common tangent. Direct common tangent length. In the same case, this value equal to d square minus of r1 minus r2 whole square. How to get? Drawn circle. This is another circle. C1 center, C2 other circle center, join center and extend. Drawn direct common tangent. One more direct common tangent from same point. It cuts at T1, touches at T2. Here you see, here I am assuming point of intersection of direct common tangent EC. Of direct common tangent. Direct common tangents. Here I need a EC division ratio also, length of T1 T2 also. Draw normal at T1. This is normal. This is normal. Here draw the line from C2 parallel to T1 T2. Wait. I am using another color better. Understanding easy. I am assuming n T1, T2, C2, n rectangle. Correct? This length is R1, this length is R2, this length is R2. From triangle, right angle triangle, C1 and C2. C1 C2 whole square equal to C1n whole square plus C2n whole square. It is d square. C1n means R1 minus R2 whole square. C2n equal to T1 T2. So d square minus R1 minus R2 whole square equal to T1 T2 whole square. Therefore T1 T2 direct common tangent length d square minus of R1 minus R2 whole square. Okay. And here one more thing. EC divides C1 C2 in R1 is to R2 externally. Why? Because in the previous one I am assuming just it is alpha. How much will happen tan alpha by using triangle C1 T1 EC, C2 T2 EC. What I am taking? Triangle C1 EC T1, triangle C2 EC T2. Tan alpha how much? From first triangle, opposite side by sin alpha is better. I am taking sin alpha. Opposite side R1, hypotenuse C1 EC. In the same other triangle by using C2 EC T2, R2 by C2 EC. Now both equating. I am taking the next page. R1 by C1 EC is equal to R2 by C2 EC. By using this, C1 EC by C2 EC is equal to R1 by R2. Then gives EC divides C1 C2 in R1 is to R2 externally. This is the derivation. Now I am going to length of transverse common tangent. This length is root of d square minus of R1 plus R2 whole square. Here also I am deriving. This C1, this C2, Join the centers. Drawn transverse common tangents. T1 and T2. Another transverse common tangent. T3, T4. I am assuming this is IC. IC is point of intersection of transverse common tangent. Now join. This is normal. I am using another color better. This is normal. Here this is normal. Just I am assuming this is alpha. From triangle C1IC T1 triangle T2IC C2, both angles alpha. Sin alpha how much? By using first triangle and second triangle. By using first triangle, this is R1 by C1IC. By using second triangle, R2 by C2IC, ICC2. Then gives R1 by R2 equal to C1IC by ICC2. From this we get clarity about IC divides C1 C2 in R1 is to R2 internally. I need length of transverse common tangent. Here I am extending C1 T1. This is normal. Now draw the line through C2 parallel to T1 T2. I will use other color better. This is N. Here clearly T1 N T2 C2 rectangle. This length is R2, that means this is also R2. Then I will use triangle C1 N C2, right angle triangle. C1 C2 whole square equal to C1 N whole square plus C2 N whole square. This is D square. It is C1N R1 plus R2 whole square plus T1 T2 whole square. T1 T2 is length of direct transverse common tangent. This value is root of D square minus of R1 plus R2 whole square. That is about third part. Kindly subscribe my channel and I will meet in next class, fourth part. Thank you all.